The intuitive cycling function enables a seamless transition from walking to cycling without manual activation. After 2 uninterrupted full pedal rotations, the knee joint recognizes cycling and switches to a free swing state. Before getting on the bicycle, make sure that the seat position is not too high and not too far back. If the C leg does not switch into the intuitive bicycle function, check the seat position. After getting off the bicycle, the knee joint switches automatically back to basic mode and provides stance flexion resistance. We recommend testing the function on a stationary exercise bike first.